Hello, my name is Daksh Thanani, and in this video I am presenting my distinction task 7.3D for SIT 771. The requirement of this task is to implement a custom program of my own design using the concepts I learned in the unit and then record a screencast to demonstrate it. Earlier in task 6.3D, I submitted a program pitch for a smart budget tracker, and now I have implemented it fully in C#. The Smart Budget Tracker is a console-based application that allows users to record their income and expenses, set a monthly budget, and generate summary reports of the particular month. The program also supports exporting data to CSV and saving and loading from a JSON file. The aim of this project was to practice software design, object-oriented programming, and iterative development. I have designed the program with clear classes that demonstrate abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. In this, you can see transaction is an abstract base class that contains shared fields like amount, date, category, and notes. Income and expense are subclasses that inherit from transaction, adding specific details such as source of income or payment method. This shows inheritance. Budget is responsible for monthly budget limits and spent amounts. It has methods to check remaining budget and detect it if it is exceeded, which shows encapsulation. Report generator depends on transaction and budget to create text summaries and CSV exports. It uses abstraction by focusing only on reporting functionality. Through method overriding like getDetails function and toString function, the program demonstrates polymorphism as different transaction types behave differently when printed. If we talk about iterative development, I developed this project step by step. First creating transaction classes, then adding budget support, then reports, and finally persistence with save and load. At each stage, I tested the program to ensure it was running correctly before adding new features. This matches the recommended iterative approach. Now we will talk about how to run the code. The program is provided as a single program.cs file as required. To run it, you create a new console project using the command all these basic things like a .NET new console-n custom program. Then you can change directory from cd smart budget tracker. Then you replace the generated program.cs with my file. Then run .NET run. This compiles and executes your program. When the program starts, a menu is shown with options to add income, add expenses, list transactions, set or update the monthly budget, view a summary report, export CSV, save and load. For example, I can add an income of $1,500 as salary and then add an expense of $120 for groceries. I can then set a budget of $1,000 for this month. When I choose view summary report, the program shows the total income, total expenses, net balance, budget spent and remaining, and also the top expense categories. I can then export data to a CSV file which is saved under my documents folder. The program also supports saving to JSON and loading it later, so the data is persistent between runs. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates my ability to design and implement a complete software solution using object-oriented programming principles. I have applied abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, followed an iterative development process, and built a practical program that works end-to-end. Thank you for watching my demonstration of task 7.3D, and in next video, I will show you how my output works in the video. Thank you for this. Bye.